Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be looking on how you can design a skrill mastercard using the ADOBE Photoshop. Our major work here is how to design using the Photoshop. Basically, we'll be looking on how you can design a skrill card using the ADOBE Photoshop. Now let's go. Open our Photoshop. We'll create new. You can target skrill mastercard. You click save. Now, without wasting much of our time on design, we'll be using the PSD file, which is very easy to be edited. On the link below, I will drop a link below on how you can get the PSD file. Now we'll go to our system. So I'm going to get the skrill mastercard. Now on my YouTube here, I have the Visa card and the MasterCard. Now I will drag my MasterCard and drag it I have to open it. Now this is a PSD file on it. This is what we're going to use to edit. Now we drag the PSD file inside. Now we've dragged our PSD file inside. Now we can edit. Here's a MasterCard. Now we'll click it. If you can look at, it's very easy. You can edit the number, the CV, this. Now you say the fonts are missing, so we need to download the font. In a video you can check on how you can download fonts to your MacBook and your Windows. Now let me show you how I can download fonts. Now I click on command space on my desk. I type in font book, I open. So I'm going to drop a link below too on how you can install up to 1500 font book on your on your system. Now it has taken me to here on my MacBook. In one of my videos, you see how I install using my window. I'm going to add the font. Now you can check our video on how to install font. Because these are missing fonts, you must install them on your on your system. We have a video on how you can install font on your MacBook and your Windows. So you can check. I already installed on my. So because if you don't install the font, you can edit unless you're going to replace, and replacing is going to give you different design. Now if you can see, I have replaced all this font on my system. This one is missing. You can see this Araba code is missing. Now let me go and I will go and download this font using my Chrome. Now I'll type paste. So you click here and what? I download it. I've downloaded the font. So let me install it to my what? Install it to my system, my MacBook. I click on command space font book. Click on add. Click on download. Let me open the zip file. Now let's go back to our font. I click on download. You can see. Now click open. Now we have what? Added the font to our what? And go back to our Photoshop. It has not been added, so let's click on our font book. Validated the font. So let's check if it has been added. Now we have what? Successfully added the font to it. So let's go to our Photoshop. You can see we have added the font to it. Now for us to edit, let's edit our words. You click the expiry date. Let's say 24. Let's say 10/24. Our CVV. You can edit to be what? Let's say 1, 2, 3. Now you come the name. You can edit the name. can use John, James. Now you come to the card number. Now you can edit the card number. You can say 2. This is R. So you on the expiry date, you click on it. We've already edited that. So this is how you can edit a Skrill MasterCard using your Photoshop to edit. Now, after editing, you click on File. You click on Export as PNG. So we're going to export it. We finished our design, so we're going to export it as Same way you can Same way you can edit your Visa Skrill card. On the link below, you see the file, the PSD file for both the Visa and the MasterCard. That you see both the link for both the Skrill card and the MasterCard. If you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel for more on design, on how you can design and be professional using the ADOBE Photoshop. Now check out the card words. This is a card we designed a Skrill MasterCard.